Let's start walking on our trip to Akko. And let's have an adventure to see the historical ancient Akko. All the things you need to do there is to know which place you want to go. There's so many signs, but first stop that we want to do is to go to the church and to have mass. Then we found out that the Franciscan church is closed. We cannot get in, so the time maybe still early or who knows. So we need to look for another church. Come back again, bell again, and it's closed. So we decided to go and find another church. Yes, follow the leader, Father Romeo. And there's a cute there behind me. And when you go there, if you need to find some place to go, you always need to use the market. You know, inside the market, you can see all the stuff that they sell. Oh, so many. Tempting, but we are on a trip and it's so hard to carry. And we didn't buy any, actually. We love the nuts, and Sister Grace wants guava and the other, but we didn't. Actually, we're so busy walking. A lot of walking. Really a lot of walking, I'm telling you. And when you go there and you want to be like, you need to know the ancient place, like Akko, you need to have comfortable clothes and shoes. And of course, with hats. So it's not so sunny and hot for you. Yes, and this one, I found it so interesting. All the art is in the wall of that little alley. It's really nice to see. And there's the dog barking. Now, yeah, really small the alleys. And this one is really interesting, you know, all the arts in the wall. Yes, I love it. Actually, I'm telling you, it's too tiring to walk. But if you really love to know a place, so you must walk because no car there. Can you see how small the alley is? Yes. Really nice, right? So nice. Well, actually, we're still looking for a church, and then we found out one church, Saint Andrew's Church. It is a Greek Catholic church, so we attended the mass there.
Pati ito art din to. Oh. Mother, ito art.
Yes, with my dear Rhea there, and the nuns walking. Really interesting and colorful. That
even
little
a pile
alley
of
that
chairs,
you get
it will
through
be
to
art.
going to the church. Yes. Yan. We're in the church now.
Close.
Yes. And after that, we went to the veranda, you know. We can see the sea. Yeah. Look at that, the Akko. The other side is Haifa. Yes. So nice. It's so nice. I love to swim. But I did not bring my bathing suit there. So we just look at the sea. That's it. Yes. I really love it. And then after the mass, we're going back. And I think our next stop is the Crusader Citadel. Yes. we look like hungry already there. Yes. We need to find out the way to go to the Crusader Citadel, but we need to go through again through the market. Yay! So nice. We all had fun. Really. I love nuts. We love nuts. And Father like to video us, picture us. Yes. Yay! Happy. Too much walking, it's all worth it. Yes. And all the little alleys. Yeah, it's fun. With the nuns, with the sisters. It's always fun. Yay. Yeah. Going back again. We need to find a way to go to the citadel.